everyone. I Zarka Sarwat Faiz Ahmed from Department of Zoology of JT Art Science and Commerce College for Women Malegaon. Dear student, today we are going to discuss about our paper ZY344 Organic Evolution. In that practical number 1, that is the study of type of fossils. So first of all, what is the aim of our practical? That is study of type of fossil with the help of specimen or chart and photos which are available. First of all, what is the meaning of fossils? The fossils are either original remains of extinct animal and plant or their traces, or footprint or impression on clay or coal or rock. मीनिंग क्या होगा फॉसिल्स का कि ये कोई गुजरे हुए वक्त में जो एनिमल और प्लांट प्रेजेंट थे उनके कुछ ट्रेसेस या उनकी फुटप्रिंट जिसको देखकर आज हम स्टडी करते हैं उस वक्त की। ठीक है, तो ये इम्प्रेशन हो सकते हैं किसी सॉफ्ट सॉइल पर, क्ले पर, कोल पर, या फिर ये इम्प्रेशन हमें रॉक्स पे भी अवेलेबल हो सकते हैं जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, फॉसिल्स। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, some of these fossils have been turned to stone of which strong cast or mold have been made. Very important point. In this fossil, some fossils are turned into a stone form. कुछ फॉसिल जो हैं वो इतने हार्ड हो चुके हैं कि स्टोन बना चुके हैं। उसमें भी दो टाइप के। कौन से? फर्स्ट इज कास्ट एंड अनदर वन इज मोल्ड. Both are different. Here in the photograph we can see what is cast fossil and what is mold fossil. Both are exactly opposite to each other. Mold fossils क्या होते हैं? It is formed when the sediment bury an organism and the sediment change into rock. The organism decay leaving a cavity in the shape of the organism. मोल्ड क्या होगा कि जो ऑर्गेनिज्म वहाँ पर बरीड था उसके वहाँ से डिके होने के बाद जो शेप बनता है, जो कैविटी बनती है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, मोल्ड. इन द फोटोग्राफ वी कैन सी द एग्जांपल ऑफ मोल्ड. द ऑर्गेनिज्म विच वाज देयर विच इज decayed and after their degradation there is a formation of cavity on that place and that cavity actually is called as mold fossil. And opposite to mold fossil, cast fossil, it is formed when a mold is filled with a sand. ये जो कैविटी थी अगर इसमें सैंड और मड आकर अक्यूमुलेट होंगे, फिल्ड होंगे और फिर वो हार्ड हो जाएंगे और वो शेप देंगे किसका, जो ऑर्गेनिज्म वहाँ पर था और उसका डीके हो चुका है. ठीक है, तो कास्ट बिल्कुल अपोजिट है मोल्ड की. इसमें होगा क्या कि जो ऑर्गेनिज्म वहाँ पर बरीड था उसके डीके होने के बाद वहाँ पर कैविटी बनेगी और वो कैविटी में जब सैंड और सॉफ्ट मड आके अक्यूमुलेट होंगे, जमा होंगे, फिल होंगे और हार्ड हो जाएंगे. तो हार्ड होने के बाद वो उस ऑर्गेनिज्म का शेप इख्तियार कर लेंगे. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज कास्ट फॉसिल. In detail we will discuss further. Now next, some animals are also found preserved in amber which is diterpenoid resin of conifer. Conifer, these are the some special type of trees and these trees contain the needle like leaf as we can see in this photograph, coniferous trees. Okay, तो amber, it is the hard, transparent or translucent fossilized resin which is originated from the coniferous tree. ओके, ये एवरग्रीन प्लांट होते हैं, कोनिफेरस प्लांट शब्स के फॉर्म में होते हैं और ये रिलीज करते हैं रेजिन विच इज़ ट्रांसलूसेंट इन देयर नेचर. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, एज फार एज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फॉसिल इज कंसर्न, They are of following type. What are they? In that, number one is actual remains. As the name indicate, actual remains. These are original remains of organism buried and embedded in soft sedimentation or in ice, and there had been to change in constituting material. Very easy. What happened in this case? जो ओरिजिनल रिमेन्स है वो एक्चुअली क्या होते हैं कि जो ऑर्गेनिज्म थे वो इम्बेड हैं, बरीड हैं इनटू द सॉफ्ट सेडिमेंटेशन. दिस सॉफ्ट सेडिमेंटेशन में बी आइस और में बी मड. ओके, बट स्पेशली वी टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ mammoth and woolly rhinoceros which are buried in the ice or oil bearing layers of earth. Okay, in this we can see the photograph in which we can see the actual remains of mammoth. Okay, and in the next photograph we can see the actual remains of rhinoceros which are buried in the ice, and by the fossil we can assume their structure or their morphological view. Okay, now next is, this is the first type of fossil. Now second is petrified fossils. As the name indicate, petrification. What happened in this case? This type of fossils are formed when organisms are buried in hard sedimentation, and due to petrification, the organic matter of dead animal or plant is replaced totally by mineral material. First of all, we will discuss about what is the meaning of petrification. Petrification क्या होता है? Petrification, it is obtained from a word that is petros, and petros means stone. So petrification occur when the organic material is completely replaced, which is present in the dead body of that fossil. Okay, so petrification, it occur when the organic material is completely replaced by minerals and fossil is turned into a hard stone. Okay, and this can be happen or occur by the filling in the pores of tissue and enter an intracellular space within the with the mineral. Okay, सो पेट्रिफिकेशन का मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि जो ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर प्रेजेंट टिश्यूज़ थे, सेल्स थे, वो सेल रिप्लेस्ड हो जाएंगे किससे? जो मिनरल प्रेजेंट है वहाँ पर उससे. और मिनरल के रिप्लेसमेंट की वजह से क्या होगा कि वो ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है बिल्कुल हार्ड स्टोन का शेप इख्तियार कर लेगा. एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज पेट्रिफिकेशन. ओके, तो पेट्रीफाइड फॉसिल कब बनते हैं? इट फॉर्म्स व्हेन मिनरल रिप्लेस द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म. ओके, इन दैट देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ एग्जाम्पल. वी कैन सी सिलिशियस फॉसिल, deep sea marine fossil, terrestrial fossil, plant fossil. Here some photograph which can indicate how the fossils are formed. Here we can see in the plant, this is the structure of a stem which is completely turned into the stone because of petrification. The fossils in the mineral replace all the part of an organism. You can see here. Okay, now next some photographs. Plant wood, ट्राइलोबाइट फॉसिल. ट्राइलोबाइट जो है ये एक एक्सटिंक्ट मराइन ऑर्थ्रोपोडियम organism था which are extinct now, and its fossil is found in the petrified fossil. Okay, this is the second type of fossils. Now third, very important, which we are discussed earlier, that is cast and mold. What is cast and what is mold? ये हम समझ चुके हैं पहले. The animal or plant material were embedded in the hard material. The entire body decayed and dissolved away by the water current under the strata, and sometime percolated by sand or something which become accumulated in the rock case or mold and cast were formed in the कैम्ब्रियम एज। कैम्ब्रियन एज में स्पेशली ये मोल्ड और कास्ट जो बने थे। ठीक है, तो कैम्ब्रियम एज जो है आज से कई साल पहले की बातें, हज़ारों साल पहले की बातें। ठीक है, तो ये एक एज जो था तब यहाँ पर कास्ट और फॉसिल्स का फॉर्मेशन मैक्सिमम हुआ था एक्चुअली। ठीक है, इसमें हुआ क्या था, यहाँ पर वही फोटोग्राफ दोबारा दिखाए गए हैं। क्या दिखाया गया है कि जो ऑर्गेनिज्म था वो बरीड हुआ, उसके बरीड होने के बाद वो डिके हुआ, डिके होने के बाद उसने खाली कैविटी, एक खाली स्पेस छोड़ दिया। अभी ये खाली स्पेस जो है, ये जो कैविटी है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज मोल्ड। एंड आफ्टर द फिलिंग of this cavity by sand or by mud, and this mud or sand is transformed into a hard structure, and this structure will be called as cast. Okay, this is the third type of fossil. Okay, last है, that is a trace and footprint. As the name indicate, the animal who walk over sand or mud left their footprint in the sediment, and after that when preserved form the fossil in the form of footprint. Some example, that is worm, mollusca left their movement line and form traces. So by these traces we can assume the type of organism, the habitat of organism, the size of organism. By these traces or foot line, their movement line can also indicated. Here are some photographs which are indicate the trace and footprint. In trace and footprint, the animal who walk over on a soft sand or mud left their footprint in sediment, and after that when preserved form the fossil in the form of footprint. Here some examples in the photograph you can see. Last है coprolite. Coprolite, this is also called as fossilized feces or fecal matter. When food particle in the food track or excretory product are fossilized, they are called coprolite. Here some photograph which can indicate the coprolite or fossilized feces. What happened in this case? Food material or food particle in the food tract, means a digestive tract, or excretory product which are excreted out from the body of organism. This product or these food material or food particle which is present in the food tract are fossilized, are called coprolite. Okay, this is some photograph, and by this photograph here coprolite is fossilized dung. Coprolite record the diet, feeding behavior and habitat of prehistoric animal. Okay, by these feces or fecal matter or by this fossil we can assume the diet or feeding behavior of that organism. What was the habitat of that animal, it can be assumed by this fossil. Okay, if the coprolite consists of partially digested plant material, the animal was probably an herbivore. If the coprolite contain bit of animal material of bone, sinew, claws or crushed bites, the animal in question was a carnivore. It means that by the fecal matter or by their feces we can assume what will be the feeding behavior of that organism. Okay, so this is the fifth type of fossils, and here we are going to stop, and I hope this presentation will be very helpful to you. Keep watching. Thank you.